sadness in your tearful eyes? Is it because someone doesn't love you anymore? Because they have left you behind? ได้ยินมาว่าเขาไม่ได้รักเธออีกต่อไป ได้ยินมาว่าเขามีคนใหม่แล้วทำให้เธอเสียใจเจ็บปวดในใจจนกลั้นน้ำตาไว้ไม่อยู่đừng buồn quá đừng ôm nỗi đau trong lòng thế gian này không chỉ có mình người đó họ không phải là người duy nhất trên đời em vẫn rất có giá trị với anh anh chỉ tiếc là chưa từng có được em 오늘은 무슨 운명인지 다시 너를 한 번 더 만나게 되었어 우리의 사랑을 다시 시작하자 비록 사람들이 너의 이름을 비난하고 그들이 너를 나쁜 사람이라 말해도 너는 여전히 내가 항상 사랑해온 사람이야 Don't be too sad or hold the pain in your heart This world doesn't end with that person They're not the only one who matters You still mean so much to me I regret that I never had you I don't know what kind of fate it is today that brought me to meet you once again Let's start our love all over again แม้ใครจะพูดถึงเธอไม่ดีแม้ใครจะมองว่าเธอเป็นคนไม่ดีแต่เธอยังคงเป็นคนที่ฉัน